Oh, hey, come inside. You can just leave that on the counter. Thanks. You know what? I got a tip for you. One sec. I gotta find my wallet. Can you go check those rooms for me? Got my tip for you over here. So, ooh. Oh yeah, these look good. So my tip for you is for under $325,000, this great starter home located in between Chief Peguis and Henderson with 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, newer roof, newer windows, a massive lot, and an oversized detached garage, because every inch counts, could be yours for under $325,000.
How about that tip, bro?
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. There you go.
Wow, thanks.
Take care. Thank you.